Hey guys, what I'm working on today is the unboxing and assembly of Royal Gourmet Gas Griddle PD1301S. Hey YouTubers, it's Ronan here with my bar channel where I'm either building it, assembling it, repairing it, or just replacing it. What I've got here is a Royal Gourmet stainless steel portable 3 burner gas griddle. It's a PD1301S, um, 25,500 BTU. This is going to be an unboxing video, so let's get with the unboxing. Get the other foam out. And let's get this entire griddle out. Nice tight packing to prevent damages. What I've got here is a box of a couple of screws, I guess. Not a full box, but I guess it doesn't need a full box. More foam in between the griddle and the burner. That griddle itself is pretty heavy. So let's get this plastic off and try to do some assembly. This griddle came with a cover. Guess that's the cover right there. Your catch pan. That goes right inside. And let's look at their supplemental instruction here. I'm assuming that's the 4 screw for the bottom feet. 4 bolts A, 4 bolts B have been pre-assembled upon delivery. Please tighten the bolts A and B. The bottom of the tray. This instruction is talking about the bottom of the pan. So what they're wanting you to do in that instruction is to screw these screws in. And as you can see, these screws only go in one way because the other side has a flat head for the screwdriver. spoon in. This piece here would be your, I guess your heat dissipator to give you even cooktop, even temperature on your cooktop. So that's why they have that sheet there. And your top part, your cooking surface of the griddle is considered assembled. Now with your legs, just want to make sure you get it in the hole. If you're trying to do this one hand, it's not going to work like me. It's got to be two hands. Then you screw it in. There's my gas line. Let's get it connected. Normally these things don't need Teflon because of the edge already is flared and the inside is flared. So it's supposed to be a perfect seal if you tighten it correctly. Just want to give it a good snug. Now this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big, this is a big cooking surface. You know, for a family of 5, it's pretty big. Here's your oil drain hole, which would go straight down to here into your catch pan. Fits in perfect. They give you 2 extra screws, I guess in case you screw it up and you damage the other 2. Design in the front looks pretty good. Igniter. I guess you can't go wrong with this. Close-up view of the knobs. Looks pretty decent. Lighting instructions. And let me put this cover on. So here's what it looks like all covered up. Just threw the cover on. The only thing that I see is that they should have given you this connection at an angle, a 90-degree angle, so the cover just drops right over it. Other than that, I would say it's a pretty good, decent sized length of this regulator with the cord. 3 feet if you're on a 4-foot tabletop. You can cook decent without worrying about the gas bottle being all over the place. Ryan with the Bar Channel, over and out.